Hi everyone and welcome this afternoon. I'm going to try and contact William Tyrell. He went missing at the age of 3.5 and now he just had a birthday and he's 11. They have done so much extensive investigations, searching everywhere, and nothing has really shown up. So I have done it 3 videos before on William Tyrell. So this one, we're just recapping just to see if anything is different that we can pick up or if it is still the same. All right, so since William had a birthday here the other day, the last one I did, it showed that he was 10 and he picked number 10 as correct. Now, William, on this mat here, he didn't know, he knew the words yes and no, but didn't know what it recognised and everything like that. So I'm hoping that he will answer either, and I'm using my pendulum, and I'm just holding it like that over the finger. He will answer no either up or down, and yes that way, or yes in that way. I'm just holding it so I can show you, or no that way. Okay. William, if you were here with me, can you please show me the way you want to answer no? If you were here with me, William Tyrell, can you please show me how you are going to answer no? Okay, so that is up and down. Can you please show me how you are going to answer yes? The word yes. Can you show me how you are going to answer yes? Okay, so you're going to go up and down. All right, back to the beginning. Now, William, you had a birthday here the other day. You might like to do circles for this one, for yes or no. Did you turn 9 here the other day? Yes or no? No. Did you turn 12 here the other day? Yes or no? Okay, that's no. Did you turn 11 here the other day? Yes or no? Okay. Did you turn 10 here the other day? Yes or no? $11? Okay. So he knows that he had a birthday. Did you turn 12? All right. So as you can see, he picked number 11. Now, in our last one, I had this map here of Kendall area. So I just want to see whether he is still in this area. Are you in the Kendall area? Yes or no? Last time he said that he was at Ross Glen. Are you at Logan's Crossing? Yes or no? Are you at Ross Glen? Yes or no? So you were still saying Ross Glen. Q? Are you at Q? Laurelton? Are you at Laurelton? Ross Glen? Okay. Did your foster grandmother live at Kendall? Did she live at Kendall? Were you taken from that area? Were you taken to Ross Glen? Are you still alive in Ross Glen? Are you still alive in Ross Glen? Is your body at Ross Glen? Okay. So we're still aiming at Ross Glen. Now, this man here is, to me, he's one of the suspects. Okay, so this is Ray Porter, but he has now actually died. He was good friends with Frank Abbott's. So I'll just see. Actually, we'll leave that one at the moment, and I'll show you who Frank is. This is Frank. Okay. So William, last time you said that you knew this man. Do you remember this man? And as you can see, I'm just holding it like that, with it just dangling down. So you know this man? Is his name Ray? Is his name Frank? Did Frank take you? If so, can you do one big huge circle in yes? Can you do that? If Frank is the one who kidnapped you, who took you? Thank you. Can you make it bigger if that is true still? Here is the one that took you. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, come to a stop. Did Frank kill you, sweetie? Did Frank Abbott kill you? If this is still correct, can you make a big circle for yes? If this is correct, can you make a big circle for yes? Okay, thanks, sweetie. Can you stop now? Can you stop? Do you still remember how you were killed? Is it still with Frank Abbott's belt? If that is correct, can you make a big circle in yes? If Frank Abbott killed you with his belt, thank you, sweetie. So that is Frank Abbott. And this is Benaroo Drive. This is where William Tyrell's foster grandmother lived. Is this where your foster grandmother lived? In this area here? Okay. Thank you, sweetie. When you were kidnapped, did you go up this road here in the car? Did you go up that way there? In the car? Yes or no? This is of Kendall. So that's no. Were you taken along this road here when you were kidnapped? Yes or no? If that is a big yes, can you make a big circle? If that is a big yes, can you make a big circle? Can you make a bigger circle? Thank you. One last question. Okay, come to a stop. One last question. You used to have a doll in a green dress that you used to sleep with. Is that correct? And you're answering yes in a circle. I have one more question. Come to a stop. Did you love Spider-Man? Did you love Spider-Man? And if it is true that you love Spider-Man, were you wearing Spider-Man outfit that day that you were taken? If so, can you do a large circle for yes? Can you do a large circle for yes if you were wearing a Spider-Man outfit on the day that you were taken? Okay. And that is yes. So nothing has really changed since the last time I spoke with William. So I'm asking everyone if they can please share it, like it, share it, because we've got to get it out there so that the police up there may have a look at it, because through Crime Stoppers, it is hard for them to, because so many people are seeing this and that and everything, but we've got to get it out there. Okay, bye for now.